I drew the Predator. The Predator, you say? You don't know who that guy is? Here he is. Greatest alien character of all time. Superman? Meh. But I digress. I wanted to use that vintage 1930s rubber hose animation style as like a jumping off point, and then just mix it with my own style. So I usually start these things with just general shapes on my sketch layer, and I want to brighten up his kind of feeling. He's a really dark character, but I like taking darker characters and turning them into something happy and fun. It's a fun juxtaposition. I wanted to bring in some energy into his posing too, and his hair was really good to do that. You can like have some nice waves in his hair, and it brightens that energy up too. His pose is even going to be a really open pose, like, hey, I've got nothing to hide, even though he's generally known as a stealth hunter and isn't really like happy and open, right? So it's just to me it's a funny concept. So over my sketch I do one ink layer. I typically won't do any more than 4 layers for my illustrations. You can see I'm doing like his tech and all his little jewelry, his skulls and trophies and stuff from his kills. You can find all that stuff in a simple Google search. If it's like a pop culture character, I'll put the name of the character and then I'll put toy, because the toys nowadays are so well done. So under my inks, I'll do one color layer. I just color, and I like the fluidity of that. Over the top of that, I will do a multiply layer at 50% opacity. And then in my multiply layer, I will use a dark gray that's neutral, and then a dark gray that's warm, and then a dark gray that is cool, depending on if it's in the light side or the shadow side of the figure. One last thing I do is all the detailing and the highlights, anything like that I see, his neon blood. And he's pretty much done. Since this video was so short and you have time now, since you're still on the toilet watching this, you can go over, click the link in the description, and buy this shirt. If you like this video, let me know in the comments. And as always, I'm at itsbillmain on Instagram and Twitch. I've got a ton of other illustration process videos on my channel if that's your thing. Leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel so that you're not hunted by an intergalactic trophy collecting barely clothed tribal alien warrior with dreadlocks. You'll thank me later.